Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Ordering food is a very common situation that you will be in. We have looked at how to order and book a table at a restaurant and how to deal with problems that may arise. Today, you'll learn how to order pizza or a hamburger in English, step by step. This is perfect for beginners and everyday conversation practice.
Great. Should we start by listening to a conversation?
Yes. But before that, let's learn some useful words. When you order a pizza, the first thing to decide is the size, usually small, medium, or large. Also, the crust. If you prefer thin crust or thick crust, you can order a pizza with very different toppings. Some of the more common ones are cheese, pepperoni, ham, chicken, bacon, mushrooms, olives, pineapple, onions, and tomatoes. If you want a drink, common options would be a soda or a lemonade, water, or juice. Now that you're familiar with the vocabulary, let's listen to a conversation.
Hello, I'd like to order a pizza.
Sure, what size would you like?
I'd like a medium pizza, please.
What toppings would you like?
Pepperoni, onions, and mushrooms, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of water, please.
Great! Now let's also listen to a conversation about ordering a hamburger and then do a practice session together.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a hamburger, please.
Sure. Would you like just the hamburger or a meal with fries and a drink?
I'll take a meal, please.
What would you like to drink and what size fries would you want? Small, medium, or large?
A cola and small fries, please.
Okay. And what size would you like your drink?
Medium, please.
Got it. Do you want anything extra on your hamburger?
Yes, can I have extra ketchup?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. Your total is $11.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Perfect. To improve, you need to practice. Listen and repeat this conversation after us. Hello, I'd like to order a pizza.
Sure, what size would you like?
I'd like a medium pizza, please.
What toppings would you like?
Pepperoni, onions, and mushrooms, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of water, please.
Good job. Now you're ready to order pizza or a hamburger in English. Practice as much as you can, and when you feel ready, go and try it in real life. See you in the next lesson.